This is what everyone thinks when we say print.
But what if we told you, printing is everything you see? Everything. Our entire universe, our planet, every living organism was printed by someone like us. Sound wild? Let's start with a clue. In many belief systems, first there was the word, an idea. Then came creation. And if you trace human history, it's the story of evolving printing methods. From the first handprint on a cave wall, to printing smells, sensors, sounds, textures, even taste. Today, printing is a $4 trillion industry, bigger than automotive, advertising, and gaming combined. And we're standing on the edge of the most futuristic production wave the world has ever seen. Organs printed on demand, smart textiles, nanoprinting, space printing, turning Martian dust into tools and homes, or infinite cycle materials disassembled and reprinted with zero waste. At Collllor, we believe that the potential of printing is limitless. And if we bring it all into one place, introduce, estimate, and connect with manufacturers, we'll unlock the power to print things you never imagined possible, like time itself, or even new worlds. Because some say the universe renders only where we look. Collllor, the world's first custom printing marketplace.